Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these delicious pesto salami mozzarella pinwheels. They're so simple and yummy to make and perfect as a starter or a snack. So let's get started. So first of all, you start with your puff pastry and you're going to add pesto to your pastry. You can use red pesto or you can use green pesto like I'm using here. As always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description. Then you're going to use fresh mozzarella. So you can use fresh mozzarella or dried mozzarella, whatever you prefer. I prefer fresh because like you can get a cheese pull. Once you have spread your mozzarella in an even layer, add in your salami. If you don't eat pork, you can use chicken, anything you like. You can even decide to avoid the meat. You can just go with mozzarella. So you're just going to put it in an even layer and then you're going to crimp it as I'm going to show you in the video. Roll the pastry up into a log. To crimp it, you just have to press the two sides of dough to each other to ensure that it's easy to cut up into swirls. Once you're done, take a pizza cutter or a sharp knife and you're just going to cut into swirls. So I'm doing about an inch here. You can make them as big or as small as you like, but I got quite a few of this, about 10 to 15. Don't worry, they look a bit messy, but they will puff up in the oven very nicely. Brush with egg wash so that way you can get golden brown. If you don't like egg or you're allergic or anything like that, you can use milk or you can just bake it like so, or you can even use melted butter. Once you're done, bake in a preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. It's baked, serve with your favorite drink and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.